Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for you. I'm going to be sharing with you guys my favorite eye look recently. I've been doing this nude smoky eye. I get lots of compliments on it even though it's such a simple makeup look. I have the makeup look on right now. This is just me kind of filming an intro, then we're gonna go through and I'll do like a voiceover and walk you through the steps. The thing I wanted to talk to you guys was about the palette that I'm using, because the palette that I'm using costs $3, so you guys have to wait and see how amazing it looks for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Now let's get into the look. So here is just a close-up of this very simple smoky eye. So let's get started. So first I'm priming my lids. This helps with a smooth application and long-lasting finish. And here's the star of the show. It is e.l.f. Bite Size Shadow Palette in the color Truffles. This palette is just excellent. The quality of the shadows are amazing, very pigmented and a smooth, creamy application. And the price is excellent for only $3. I will list all products below. So here I'm just blending the deeper brown shade into my crease. Then I'm going into the outer V with this black color. This black color has chunks of glitter in it, so it's just a beautiful finish. Then I just add the nude color to the middle of my lid and just make sure everything is blended. Add some liner and mascara and the look is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's the simplest smoky eye look. I hope you liked it. Until next time, guys.